Behind the European Championships, Road to Success. Over the past years, Poland and Ukraine prepared for one of the biggest sports events in this part of Europe. To face this enormous challenge, the organizers used state-of-the-art technologies. Thousands of specialists from various fields were involved in the preparations. The construction solutions drew admiration owing to their grand scale and innovative form. A long road had to be traveled to be able to celebrate success. It all started on the designers' desks and from the work of graphic designers. Designs of new stadiums were prepared, and a major conversion of the existing facilities was planned. Euro 2012 arenas impress not only with their beauty, but also with unique construction solutions. They are modern structures with excellent equipment and 100% safe for the fans. State-of-the-art materials were used to create them. Numerous technologies had to be developed from scratch. Nobody in the world has ever had to lift gigantic trusses weighing 1,400 tons 30 meters up in the air. This task was completed successfully at the Poznan Stadium thanks to a specially devised system of cylindrical lift. The pitch on the National Stadium in Warsaw is much lighter than standard ones. It weighs only 9,000 tons. When the enormous stands were ready, it was time to take care of the turf. The enormous pitches were built with a millimeter accuracy. Each of them contains tens of kilometers of pipes which are part of the heating system. Turf grown from the best grass species were delivered to the stadiums from specialist plantations. Teams of specialists, grass keepers, tended to it 24 hours a day. Equipped with the best tools, they took care of the world's largest and most expensive natural carpets. Preparations for Euro 2012 did not take place only in stadiums. To allow thousands of fans to get to the matches comfortably from even the most remote parts of the world, transport services had to be extended and modernized. How was it done? By utilizing the latest technological advantages, the airports were extended and equipped with intelligent baggage handling systems. New generation trucks were introduced at the International Airport in Gdańsk, speeding along the guide rails as fast as 5 meters per second. A computer controls each of them separately. It is possible to indicate where each piece of luggage can be found at any time. To make sure that the systems work correctly, thousands of tests were performed. This new terminal was tested by students who acted as travelers. Everything had to be realistic. The queues, the rush, the necessity to answer queries in various languages. Fans at the stadiums had to be provided with comfort. Thus, it was necessary to design over 200,000 seats for the Polish Euro arenas. Owing to the innovative ideas and latest manufacturing technologies, the seats are durable and safe. With the stadiums ready, the organizers could start thinking how to ensure safety for all spectators arriving to see Euro 2012 matches. The Polish police forces received 5,500 modern safety kits. These contemporary armors are the result of long-term efforts undertaken by research laboratories and design work. They are almost indestructible. Appropriately adjusted, they protect their users against every form of attack. Event safety forces bearing excellent equipment are one of the elements of a complete protection system developed for Europe 2012. Each fan could feel comfortable at these modern arenas. Is it possible, however, to enforce regulations at the stadiums with a smile? The answer is yes. If stewards take care of this, they have been specially trained to help football fans. They know everything about the stadium. It was stewards who made sure that no forbidden materials were brought to the stands. They were very kind to football fans, but at the same time, very firm. Each of the stadiums has an appropriately developed system of cameras. Thanks to thousands of sensors, none of the tens of thousands of football fans at the stands were anonymous. Data was collected at the monitoring center. As a result of quick information access and the combined work of all servers, the response of the rescuers or event safety personnel can be almost immediate. Euro 2012 Championship was not only packed with state-of-the-art technology, it was also environmentally friendly. How was it possible? Owing to the specially developed systems using naturally collected rainwater, the roof of the Kiev Stadium was designed to include enormous elements resembling flowers that feed rainwater into underground collectors. Flying robots may have appeared over the heads of the Euro 2012 fans, which supported the work of the event safety personnel and the media. Much higher, out of the fans' sight, F-16 fighter jets of the Polish Air Force were circling. These modern combat machines are flown by top NATO pilots. They were patrolling the skies, securing the designated air sectors over the championship arenas. Enormous work was performed to get ready for Euro 2012. Poland resembled a huge construction site in recent years. The results of this tremendous effort included state-of-the-art, wonderfully equipped stadiums with the highest safety levels. Technologically advanced transport systems at the airports allowed football fans to travel quickly and comfortably. Properly prepared and equipped safety personnel made sure that football fans could take part in the football feast. Efforts of hundreds of thousands of people contributed to the success of this grand event. Did the system work? The answer was obvious in the smiling faces of thousands of spectators at the European Championship.